Hello, and we're playing this game.
Okay, let's play some bird gut. Sure.
Oh. No.
This is so sad, guys. Oh my god, he morphed.
Yo! That was cool.
Is this Nigeria? Welcome to the new world. Lame.
He's singing for
Oh my god.
Nigerian food.
Are you okay? No. Oh man, this one came out wrong. No. Jerry, come here.
Come in. Dude, stop yelling. You'll wake them. What do you want? Jerry, will you dispose of this one?
What is he
Quick,
holding?
before you...
Is he holding his own finger? Very
Yes.
sad. Oh, Jesus. What happened to it? This is so sad, guys. Oh no! No! Okay.
AD.
Okay, you can play. I'll jump. Oh.
Nigerian food.
Oh, wait, we have to go back. What is happening?
Nigeria.
Okay, go back. This game is hard. Okay.
Yo, this is awesome.
Wait, let's jump on it. Guys, I think there's someone hanging over there.
I think I see someone hanging over there.
Wait, we need to get the crate. Okay, guys, so Leo the lion is...
What?
The shaved alpaca is, moving and I'm jumping. Okay.
Oh!
No! You die. Oh, wait, we're back. Okay. Alright, Alright, go. Oh! Okay. We beat the game, guys. We beat the game. Oh, let's go!
Wait.
No!
Yo, that was
What are we
epic.
supposed to do? Okay. We got this. We were blindfolded, guys. I was blindfolded and my controller wasn't connected. Alright, how about we take turns? Okay. Okay, well, now the shaved alpaca is just blind. What happened? No.
Everything happened.
Wait. Help.
Oh!
Oh,
Okay, that was awesome.
my turn.
You
Press-
fell on 2 thorns.
Okay. Now you're watching the real pro play.
Magnifying glass tilted left.
You guys have never seen a real pro play. You see the shaved alpaca, he thinks we're playing this game, but no. We're playing this game. What?
Look out!
Oh! Oh! Oh no! What is happening?
Fly traps.
Evil. Oh! What is that noise? No!
Wow, nice. What?
Okay. Now the shaved alpaca is playing.
We were hit by a sweet gumball.
Oh yeah, my bad. Gumball from Adventure Time. Wait, what? Oh my god.
Everyone likes gumball from Adventure Time.
This is really intense, guys.
Am I right, fellas?
Okay. Oh, we beat it. Hold down space jump to go harder.
Yo!
Space
Okay.
jump.
Cool. Space jump.
Mr. Man from Outer Space.
You wouldn't get it. Yo! Okay, that was...
See, the shaved alpaca is such a good gamer.
I know, right?
Whoa. Okay. Okay. I think you have to get on the other one. Well, no, duh. I bet. Bruh.
My bad.
Guys, we're pro gamers. Like, you think it looks easy, but it's extremely hard. 100%. Hardest game of 2018. Because that's when I think this game was made. I'm not sure.
This is the best game ever.
Yeah.
No.
Guys.
Dude,
look,
he's playing Sort the Court in his
sleep. Hello, and we're playing this game.
Subscribe to Shaved Alpaca.
If you... Oh my god. Look at me. I'm so beautiful. I have wings now. Look at our wings, dude.
All I had to do was follow the damn train, CJ.
I feel so alive. We are alive. Freedom for androids.
Liberty for androids.
Oh!
Liberty for androids.
Wait, jump off. What happens? Oh.
Um.
Oh. That was pretty. What?
That was pretty what?
I know, right? What is happening? I think we have to. Where are we going?
We're going to.
It's Top Hat's adventure.
Guys, Top Hat is 5K5's worst enemy.
Yeah. Top Hat.
No.
Sorry, I haven't uploaded in a while.
Sorry, it's Black Hat.
Another mouse ate my computer. 100%. Just didn't get lazy.
Okay, this is cool. You know that?
Blah blah.
Same.
Same, bro.
I sing for my Nigerian food.
Wow. Very epic. I don't really know what's happening, but I think
I just have to do it like this.
Wait, try to get on there. Very epic commentary. Oh!
Yo!
That was so insane. Okay, now... Oh, just go down there. No, don't go. Just that way. Yeah, I think. What? Oh, bring the acorn up there so you can jump over. Very smart. Big brain.
Small brain. Stinky brain.
See, look how smart I am.
Stinky brain.
Alright, very epic.
5K5 is playing now.
Alright, we're gonna switch after every... What the? Ew.
What the ew?
Apply for unemployment. Can I unemploy? Hey, jerk. What do you think you're doing? Skipping the line like that. You think you're more important?
He just wants Nigerian food.
Okay, very epic. The Shaved Alpaca. Oh my god! Oh. I guess this is where we end.
Well, that was a fun game.
That was a really cool game, guys.
Wait, what?
That was it. 100%. Wait, oh, we're getting swallowed. Whoa.
This game's absolute.
Good. Wow. This is pretty lit. Please hold still. Oh. Oh! I'm scared. Oh, look at us. We look pretty cool. You are feeling scared. Look at the guy to our left. He just died. And to our right. Oh. I guess this is what actually happens inside of a bird's gut.
I know, right?
Don't listen to what your science teachers tell you. They're all false.
Just do it like this.
Awaken and serve. Look, their eyes are red, but...
Hello, everybody.
Is this Project Sorga?
No.
Evaluating.
Spy Ninja home base.
Job stomach. Wait. No. Oh. You are... Well, I think that's where I'm gonna end it. Ow. Thank you for watching the video. Oh. The Shaved Alpaca doesn't want me to stop.
You mustn't stop.
You can play now.
What? Why?
Because, it's your turn.
All you needed to do is follow the damn train, CJ.
The Shaved Alpaca loves making strange references.
No.
Just do it. Press S to drop through platforms.
Oh, well, thanks, bros.
That was really helpful. I think you can only do that to red things. Oh.
I don't think so. Oh.
Just spam it.
Just kill it. Just kill all of them.
we're dropping the epic food.
Nigerian food.
Alright, I think you can go now. The Shaved Alpaca. I think I think you can go now. That's it. I think you can.
How sad.
Look at the one cashew on top. Oh,
Look at the walnuts.
just jump to your death. Just do it. Don't let your dreams be memes.
Okay. My dreams have become memes.
Oh, who is that lad?
Lad. Lad.
Oh,
Lad.
Bob.
Lad. Oh. This is so sad.
Well, I guess it's my turn. Chad Wildclay just died, guys. Wait,
Who's Chad Wildclay?
I don't know. Where'd the guy go?
Who's Chad Wildclay though?
I don't know.
Tell me.
Oh! Run! Wait, what? I guess we have to dodge all these, evil traps. Oh! Ow. Okay. You got grinded into bits.
Yo.
I don't think you should do that. Don't be affected by the light. Don't get grinded into bits. Bruh. We got crushed. Good job. Didn't get grinded into bits. Okay. So, this game has no story. You just follow the path. Well, so far there's no story. Okay, we reached a duckling.
Yo! That is cool.
Yeah,
Dude, this is so cool.
epic game.
Oh my god, this is really cool actually. Like,
Alright, I think at pump control A is where we'll end this video. It was really cool, guys, but, yeah, subscribe to the Shaved Alpaca, and there was no, effort put into this video, but we were bored. So,
Fran.
Gucci gang, bye.